How to fix DramaBox app not opening or crashing. So if you want to fix DramaBox app not opening or crashing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, and on your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for DramaBox. Once you've searched, if you have any updates on your DramaBox, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. It will fix all of your bugs and glitches. Now come back and try restarting your application and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix, then search for DramaBox, tap and hold on to it, and then you will have an option of app info right here. Tap on the app info. Once you tap on the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Now this will remove all of the cache that it has on the application and your problem might be fixed. Or you can just go back and then allow the permissions. If you've not allowed the permissions, then you just need simply go and allow the permissions that it has, and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just go and uninstall the application. And after uninstalling the application, again reinstall it from your Play Store or your App Store and relaunch it or relog into your account, and it will fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.